Hello，你好，我是张雪莲，我来自中国，很高兴认识你。Hello, I'm Xuelian Zhang. I'm a native Chinese speaker living in Shenzhen, China. I graduated from Wuhan University of Technology. I'm good at English, and Japanese is my second foreign language. I really enjoy teaching Chinese. My students include children and adults. In my class, you will feel very happy and relaxed. I will prepare different methods for your lesson, such as pictures, stories, and videos. I really hope to be your good friend and help you find more fun in learning Chinese. If you like me, please come and join my class. I hope we'll see you soon.